Friends, today's topic is India, size and locations. This chapter is regarding with geography of class 9. Here we are going to study about the India's features. Who are the neighboring country of India, where India is situated and which kind of line that pass from India. Here we just study about Tropic of Cancer, and this Tropic of Cancer is just passed in between India. The Tropic of Cancer passes from Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. What we find, a Tropic of Cancer is a line that separately or halfly divide India into two equal parts. But before studying this, we just come on the topic, and this topic is saying about India's that what is the India size and location. If you talk about the size, India is 7th in size. In the world, the Russia is number 1, the Canada is at 2nd, USA is at 3rd, and then China. After China there is a Brazil and Australia, and after Australia there is a country whose name is India. This is according to the area. But if you talk about according to population, then India is on the 2nd position after China. Students, the location what we find on the globe is India has 37 degree and 6 minute in north, and in south it is 8 degree and 4 minute. Also in west it is 68 degree and 7 minute, and in east it's 97 degree and 25 minutes. This is the real extent of Indian continent or Indian countries. There is a standard meridian that pass from India. The center point of the standard meridian is in Gujarat, is in Uttar Pradesh, UP. The place is Mirzapur and also called as Naini. Mirzapur, the place that is considered as the central place from where the time horizon is maintained in India or in the whole country. If you talk about the routes, there are two routes that passes from India. There is air route, also there is a water route. If you talk about air routes, there is a place that Kolkata. From Kolkata you can go Bangkok, and after Bangkok there is a Philippines. You can also go Tokyo, Japan from Thailand. So this is the air route from India to Japan, and this is from India to Philippines. Also, if you want to visit Australia, you can go from Chennai to Malaysia, and Malaysia then Australia. If you talk about European country, you can also visit Iran, then Syria, and then all others. And you can also go direct from Mumbai to Syria. So these are the routes, there are the air routes by using which we can go anywhere in the world from India. According to this, we have also water routes. In water routes, there is a Kolkata. After Kolkata you can go anywhere. Also from Mumbai we can visit Africa. There is a country in Africa, this is Tanzania. If you want to visit Tanzania, you can directly go by the water route from Mumbai to Tanzania. There is lots of country like Saudi Arabia and all we can visit from here. Oman is a nearby country where we can visit, and many of the Indian visited for earning purpose. If you talk about our neighboring country, there is a Nepal, there is Bangladesh, there is Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. Students, Afghanistan is a country that share a minimum boundary with India, but Bangladesh is a country which share a large boundary area with Indian countries or India boundaries. If you talk about Tropic of Cancer, Madhya Pradesh is the state where Tropic of Cancer is longest, and Rajasthan is the place where the Tropic of Cancer is very small. It covers very minimum distance in Rajasthan. But there is Jharkhand, and Jharkhand is only a state in India whose capital is on the Tropic of Cancer. Students, Ranchi is the only capital in India which is on the Tropic of Cancer. So this is all about this chapter. We will discuss in the next videos. Thank you.